Today I'll be showing you how to solve this question. The question is taken from Further Mathematics question 2017. It is a vector question. So let's read and solve together. The question says, given that m, that is vector m, equals 6i plus 8j and vector n equals minus 8i plus 7 over 3j. Find the Roman figure 1 magnitudes and direction of m and n. That is, we should find the magnitude of m and its direction, and also find the magnitude of n and its direction. Then Roman figure 2, find the angle between m, the vector m and vector n. So solution: to find the magnitude of m, so we let the magnitude of m to be in this form, that is straight line, then we have m inside equals to square root of x square plus y square. So this is the formula for magnitude, okay, where x is the coefficient of I and y is the coefficient of j. So in this case, our x equals 6 and y equals 8. So if we substitute these two values into this formula, we have magnitude of m equals square root of 6 square plus 8 square. So that will give us square root of 6 square, that is 36, and 8 square, that is 64. So that will be square root of 36 plus 64, that is 100, and square root of 100 equals to 10. So that is the magnitude of vector m is 10 units. Okay, then let's find the magnitude of vector n. Okay, for the magnitude of vector n, we can let it to be n, that is, the formula will now be magnitude of n, then we use the same formula, equals to x square plus y square. But in this case, our x equals minus 8 and our y equals 7 over 3. So if we substitute these two values into this formula, we have magnitude of n equals square root of minus 8 square plus 7 over 3 square. So which will give us 8 square, that is minus 8 square will still give us 64 plus, so in this case 7 over 3 square, this one will give us 49 over 9. Okay, let's compute it directly using our calculator. Okay, so in this case, we have square root of 64 plus 49 over 9, and that will give us 25 over 3. So in this case, we have this to be 25 over 3 units. Okay, so the next thing is to find the direction. That is, we are still solving question Roman figure 1, is to find the direction, that is this direction of m and of n. So in this case, for the direction of m, of vector m, so we can let the direction to be alpha. So in this case, alpha will now be tan inverse of y over x. So that is the direction formula. So I'm going to show us how to use it and what y represents and what x represents. So in this case, in any given question that you are asked to find the direction of a given vector, all you need to do is to let the angular direction to be something, either alpha, theta, whatever, then equals to tan inverse of what? Y over x. So in this case, we have our x to be 6 and y to be 8 for m. So x equals to 6 and y equals to 8. Therefore, alpha will now be tan inverse of 8 over 6. That will be tan inverse. 2 can go in 8, that is 4. 2 can also go in 6, that is 3. So let's solve using our calculator. So that is tan inverse of 4 over 3. So that will give us what? 53.13. 53.13. Okay? So we have the answer to be 53.13 degree. So in this case, the direction for vector m, therefore, direction of vector m equals 53.13 degree. Okay, the next thing is to find the direction of vector n. The next thing is to find the direction of vector n. Okay, I believe we are following. So all I need to do for me to find the direction of vector n, let's open another page. Okay, for us to find the direction of vector n, let's clean this. Okay, now we want to find the direction of vector n. We can let the direction now. Let the direction be theta. So instead of using alpha now, for us to differentiate it, okay, to be theta. Therefore, theta equals tan inverse of y over x. Okay, tan inverse of y over x. So in this case, x is equals to minus 8 and y equals 7 over 3. So substituting all of this into the formula, we have theta to be tan inverse of 7 over 3 everything divided by minus 8. So solving this directly again with our calculator, we have, so let me just delete this. So we have 7/3, then we have minus 8. So the answer is minus 16.26. So minus 16.26. So theta equals minus 16.26. Okay, so which means the direction for the vector m is minus 16.26 degree. For the second solution, which is the angle between vector m and vector n, okay, the angle between vector m and vector n now, we have the formula to be m dot n equals magnitude of m and magnitude of n cos theta. Okay, so in this case, we find the dot product of the two vectors, then their magnitude, and with that, we should be able to get the angle between the two vectors. Okay, so to make cos theta the subject, we have m dot n over magnitude of m and magnitude of n. So in this case, all what we need now is the dot product, because in question 1, you already know what the magnitude of vector m is and what the magnitude of question n is. So all what we need now is to find the dot product and put the magnitude, then we simplify. Okay, we have m dot n to be 6i plus 8j dot 8i minus 8i plus 7/3j. So in this case, since it is dot product, all what we need to do is to multiply the height value by the height value here and jth value by the jth value. So m dot n will give us a scalar. So in this case, we have 6 dot minus 8 plus 8 dot 7/3. Okay, so all what we need to do is to multiply. So 6 times minus 8 will give us minus 48, then plus 8 times 7/3 will give us 56/3. So adding the two values, we have minus 88/3. Okay, so m dot n equals minus 88/3. Okay, so with this, the next thing is to substitute m dot n into this formula. So which means cos theta now will now be minus 88/3. everything over, okay? What is, that is 10. The magnitude of m and the magnitude of n. We have 10 and 25 over 3, okay? Which is 10 times 25 over 3, okay? So in this case, what do we need? We need 10 times 25 over 3, and that will give us 250 over 3, okay? That is minus 88 over 3 divided by 250 over 3, okay? Which is the same thing as minus 88 over 3 times 3 over 250. So 3 will take care of 3. We have minus 88 over 250. That is cos theta, okay? So then theta will now be cos inverse of minus 88 over 250. So cos inverse of minus 88 divided by 250. So let's see what it will give us. That is 410.6096929. So to 2 decimal places, we can have it as 110.661. Okay, that is 110.61. Okay, so degree as the final answer. So stay tuned as I bring to you another, that is more of this. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe as we enjoy this together. Thank you.